Hello, we are back again with another exciting feature. This is us topping our notch even further above. Imagine having a website page with lots and lots of information. How time-consuming would it be to go through all the data to find the relevant information? Also, it's quite a challenge for a customer support executive to be dynamically updated and be thorough with all the page information for their customer queries. Introducing Kommunicate's Web Chatbot Trainer. All you need to do is enter the URL in the field and specify a bot name of your choice. Our chatbot studies the website mentioned as a URL in no time and gets ready to answer any queries regarding the information available on that particular website. What does this mean? Create and train a bot instantly with just website URLs. Integrate with Zendesk, Salesforce, or any knowledge base with APIs. Accurate and summarized answers for a superior customer experience. You are going to save a humongous amount of time. Your CSAT ratings are going to skyrocket. It is efficient and cost-effective. The chatbot is dynamically updated with the latest information as and when the website is edited or updated. Set the tone of your bot according to your brand persona. Stay tuned and watch out for this space. The tutorial is coming out very soon. If you have not tried our chatbot yet, sign up for free using the link in the description. Subscribe and stay updated with Kommunicate and AI.